Hi, good morning everyone. So today we are going to do discussion on the reasoning section of your mock 4. Okay, so let's start with the questions which most of the people find very difficult. Alright, so this is your first question which we are going to discuss. Quickly read the question. Okay, study the following information to answer the questions in a certain coded language. Play and study equal is written as poco la lo. Okay, these are the code for this. Okay, similarly the next statement, work now, play tomorrow, there is another code for it. Okay, study routinely for result, that's the another one, and work for equal time, there is one more code given to us. Alright, so let's begin with the question. Let me write the equations, the statements first. Play and study equal. Okay, code is okay. Next statement is which one? Work now, play tomorrow. Okay, so KALOLUPA. Next one is study routinely for result, TOPOBIBA. Next one is work for equal time is PABIDOLA. Okay, so I hope all of you are aware of how to proceed such questions. So the best way of doing such question is first write all the statements and with the code with in front of you, and now let's compare. Okay, so compare the statements which have one single word as common. Okay, so what I am going to do, let's look at the statement 1 and statement 2 at the same time. Okay, so play, is play common in both of the equation, both of the statement? Yes. And is and over here? No. Study, study is also not here, equal is also not here, so only play is common in both of them. Okay, so let's circle play. Okay, now look which code is common. Which code is common in both of them? PO is there? No. KO is there? No. LA is there? No. LO is there, correct? So LO is there. So from here I can say that play is for LO, right? Okay, now once we get it, we don't need it again, correct? So we will remove it. So I will remove this play from this and this. Okay, so I am just erasing it. Okay, now let's look at which two. Okay, so let's compare the first statement with the third statement. Okay, look, let's look. And is and over here in the third one? No, it's not there. Okay, study is here? Yes, study is here. And equal is there? No, equal is also not there in first and third. So it means only study is common. So let's circle the study. Okay, and now look which code is common. PO. Is PO common over here? Yes, PO is common here. KO, no, nothing else, correct? So from here I got that study is PO, right? Again the same process, I will erase it. Okay, I am doing it slower over here so that I can explain it you properly, but in exam you can do it quite fast because at the same time you just have to do the comparison and nothing else. Okay. Okay, now let's compare the first one and the fourth one, first and fourth. Let's compare the first and fourth. Okay, so and equal and work for equal time. So only equal is common over here. And which code is common, KO or LA? LA is common here, right? So equal stand for LA, right? LA. Okay, now what will I do? I will erase this, correct? Because we don't need this. Okay. Now one more thing is, we got clearly that in the first statement only AND is left over and code is KO. So that is also clear. Now statement 1 is completely erased. Correct. Okay, now let's compare which one? The third one and the fourth one. Okay, when I compare the third one and the fourth one, routinely, is the routinely word over here in the fourth one? No. For is common in both? Yes. So for is common. Correct. And now look which code is common. 2 is not there. BI, yes, BI is there. Okay, so it means that for stand for BI. Okay, let's erase that also. Okay, now which two I can compare? Let's compare the second one and the fourth one. Okay, so work is common in both, correct? Work. Time is not common. Okay, so now look which code is common? PA, correct? So from here I can say that work stand for PA, right? Let's erase that also. Okay, so from here that time is stand for DO. So time is stand for DO. Okay, statement 4 is also removed. I don't need statement 4 now. Okay, and now let's compare statement 2 and 3. But see, here it is only now, tomorrow. Here it is routine, result. So you don't know which one stand for which one. So you can say that now or tomorrow can be KA or LU. Similarly, routinely / result is for TO / BA. Okay, so everything is clear in front of me, right? Okay, now let's start solving the questions. Question number 1. What is the code for AND in the given code language? Okay, so we have already done it. AND stand for KO. So our answer is option A, right? Let's move to the next question. Which of the following may represent result theory routinely? Okay, so result and theory, result and routinely is there. Theory, there should be some new code. Okay, so there should be already which is not used already. Okay, so result and routinely. So first let's look at result and routinely. So it means TO and BA should be there because both the words are there. So it means both the code should be there. So TO and BA should be there. TO and BA is also here. TO and BA, TO and BA also, TO and BA also, TO and BA. So option this is eliminated directly because BA is not there. Okay. Now, but I know that already LO is assigned to something, correct? LO is for play. So option 1 cannot be my answer. Okay. KA. KA is also assigned to something. See here. K is for now or tomorrow. Any one of it. So this also cannot be my answer. Okay. TO. Sorry, PA. PA is extra here. So PA is stand for which one? PA is for work. So that also cannot be my code because I need something new for the word theory. So it means only option D is my answer because this is something new which I am seeing over here. Right? Okay. Which of the following represents play for in the given code? Okay. So play for. So play is for LO and for is for by. So it means this two words should be there. This two words should be there. So LOBI. That's my answer, right? What does the code DO stand for in the given code language? Okay, so let's look at DO is for which one? DO is for time, right? So DO is for time. Okay, last question. What is the code for tomorrow in the given code language? Okay, so which is the code for tomorrow in the given code language? Tomorrow can be KA or LU. Okay, so you don't know which one is that. So it can be KA or LU. So either KA or LU. So your answer is either KA or LU. Okay, one thing you should remember in such type of question is that order is not important. Order is not important. In which order they have written is not at all important. The code should be there in the statement. Okay, so if something is like this, let's say the question which we have seen here, play for, correct? So why our answer was LOBI. It can be BILO also. This is also the correct answer. So the order is not at all important. Okay, let's move to the next question. Here is the question. Direction for the question 11 to 14. Read the information given below and answer the question that follow. Some students are standing in a row facing north. Okay. So what I will assume that everyone is facing this side. Okay, everyone is facing this side. So this will be their left hand side and this will be their right hand side, because since everyone is facing towards the screen. Okay. Okay, so let's assume that first thing, because then it becomes very easy for me to solve the question. Even in such question, whether they say in place of north they will say east or they will say west. So always remember, make the question in such a way that you don't have to take too much care of the left and right. Okay, so always try to work in such a way that it becomes your left and your right. Okay, so this is my left and this is my right. So that's how the question should be done. Okay, now let's read the question. Some students are standing in a row facing north. Lalit is 8th to the right of Karthik and 16 to the right of Jatin. Lalit is 8 to the right of Karthik and 16 to the left of Jatin, who is 27th from the right end of the row. Okay, so what I will do, I will start with this person. I will start with Jatin. Okay, so I will start from Jatin, okay, who is 27th from the right end of the row. So this is the right end, obviously. From here, he is 27th. It means this is Jatin, okay. Jatin, and he is what? 27th from the right. So after him, how many people should be there? There should be 26 people should be here, right? 26 people, 26 persons. Okay, and let's read again. Lalit is 8 to the right of Karthik and 16 to the right of Jatin. So after Jatin, I need to count how many people? After Jatin, I need to count how many? I need to count 16 people after Jatin, right? So let's count that. Lalit is 8 to the right of Karthik and 16 to the right of Jatin. Okay, 16 to the right of Jatin. So after him, there should be 15, oh sorry, wait a minute, this side it should be, right? So here it will be Kartik, correct? And after Kartik, Kartik's 18th, sorry, Lalit is 8 right of the Kartik. So 8 right of the Kartik means there should be 7 person in between, and there should be Lalit, okay? And since when you count it over here, see, count it like this, sir, after Jatin, so 27 minus 16, that will be how much? 11. So 11 on this side, and then this 7. So how many people will be left over for this part? There will be only 10 person, right? Okay. And Manoj is 16th from the left end. So Manoj is 16th from the left end. Okay, so it can be here also, it can be here also, we don't know how many people are there, right? But we know that there are 5 students standing between Manoj and Kartik. Okay, there are 5 students standing between Manoj and Kartik. Kartik near to the right end of the row and Manoj to the left. So it means Manoj thoda sa left mein hoga, correct, and Kartik will be right. So obviously Manoj will be Kartik se count karna padega. So count 5 person from Kartik. So from here it will be here Manoj, and there will be 5 person in between, right? And that leaves us with that between Jatin and Manoj there will be only 1 person. Yes or no? Between Manoj and Jatin there will be only 1 person. And now I can use this statement that Manoj is 16th from the left end. So count 15th from the left end, it means up to here there are how many people? 15 person. Because he is 16th from the left end. Okay. So tell me total how many people will be there in this line? Because see, from here to here it is 26 and here to here it is 15. It means 1 less. We are counting double. So it means 26 plus 15, that is how much? 41. 41 minus 1. So total number of people are in the queue is in the row is 40. Correct? So let's start solving the question. How many students are there between Jatin and Manoj? Okay, look at here again. How many people are there between Jatin and Manoj? I told you that is only 1 person. Only 1 person is between Jatin and Manoj. Okay, what is Karthik's position from the right end of the row? Karthik's position from the right end of the row. Karthik's position from the right end of the row. Okay. So see, up to here 15 person, see, then this one is, next one up to here is 15 person, then this one is next, how many people are there? Another 4 people over here. So this one is the 5th one. So 15 plus 4, that is 19th. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Karthik's position from the right end of the row. Wait a minute. So we don't have to count from here, because from here it will be coming out 15 plus this 5. Yeah, from the left hand it is different, from the right hand we have to count, correct? So Karthik position from the right hand will be this 10 person and then this 7. Okay, so wait a minute, if we know that the Karthik's position from the left hand, then also we can find it out, because do you know the formula? What is the formula? Rank from the bottom, rank from the top minus rank from the bottom minus 1 will give you the answer for this. Correct? So answer is going to be 19. Okay, total how many students are standing in the row? There are 40 students. Okay, what is Lalit's position from the left end of the row? Okay, look at the Lalit's position from the left end of the row. Now you can simply do the counting. Correct? So 15% this plus 5 plus this. Okay, so that will be 27th. Correct? So your diagram will look like this. If you have problem understanding this one, let's look at have a look at this diagram. Correct? So you will start with the, you have to start with this first thing, that Jatin is 27th from the right end of the row. That will make your question very easy. So this is your Jatin position, and then there are 26 people over here, correct? And then after that you have to do this part, that 16 to the right of Jatin, Lalit is 8 to the right of Karthik and 16 to the right of Jatin. Okay, so Jatin 15% over here, then Lalit, and Lalit is 8 right of the Karthik, so Karthik, and 7% over here. And in this way you will solve such question. The only problem with such question is if you start counting, then it becomes very lengthy. Okay, that is also fine, you can do it in this manner also. Lot of people do it like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, but they waste too much time in writing this. It will take time you to write all of it, and then you can do the question. Okay, let's do by this also, so that you will have 2 options to work on. Okay, so again, Jatin is 27 from the right end of the row, so I will make this as Jatin, this is Jatin. Okay, and then Karthik is 8th to the right of the, Lalit is 8th right of the Karthik and 16 to the right of Jatin. Okay, so you have to count 16 from Jatin. Okay, let's do that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So this is who? Lalit. And he is 8 right of the Karthik. So let's count that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, so this is who now? Karthik. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8th, correct? So this is how also, so 19th is this one. Okay, now what else is given to us in the question, that Manoj is 16th from the left end, so we cannot find it by that directly, correct? Because we don't know total how many people are this side, correct? So we can't calculate that, but by using the next statement, what is the next statement? That 5 students are standing between Manoj and Karthik. Okay, and Karthik is near to the right end, so Manoj should be on the left hand. Okay, so there are 8 students between Manoj and Karthik. So count how many? 5 students. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then this will become Manoj. And now Manoj is what place? 16th from the left hand, correct? So 16 from the left hand means, let's count that. So 1, 2, 3, or wait a minute, you count in this way, 1, this is 16th, correct? So 16th, 15th, 14th, 13th, 12th, 11, okay, so this will be 20, 31, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. I am writing in the reverse order, and now this one will be 12th one, 13th, 14th, 15th, and so on, like this, correct? And that's how you can solve the question by this method also. So it's up to you whether you want to go by this gaps or whether you want to do it on the number line. Okay, let's move to the next question. 5 friends, Amar, Bijoy, Chandan, Dilip, Ishwar, saw 5 different movies: Iron Man, Spider-Man, Batman, Superman, Ant-Man, not necessarily in that order. They saw the movies on 5 different days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, not necessarily in that order. They watched movie by buying tickets of the following prices: 70, 50, 280, 120 and 160, not necessarily in that order. Bijoy didn't watch Iron Man or Superman, but he watched movie before Chandan. Okay, so what do we have to do? We have days, correct? We have days of the week. Then next thing we have, which we need to put it in, is names, right? Names of the people. And then we have to put the movies they watch, name of the movie, and then we have to put the price of the ticket. Okay, so let's make the table. So what I will do, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, how many days are there? 5 friends, so 5 days, Friday, up to Friday, correct? Name of the person, then movie they watched, and then price. Okay, correct? So this is given to us. What are the names? So instead of writing the whole name, let's write the initials: A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so A, B, C, D, E. Movies are Iron Man, then which one is that? Spider-Man, Batman, Ant-Man. What else is given to us? Iron Man, Spider-Man, Batman, Superman. Okay, so 5 movie names are also given to us, and then prices are also given to us. So what are the prices? 70, 50, 280, 120 and 160. Okay, so I hope you made the table, and now I am giving you 1 minute quickly so that you can just start filling the table. You need to understand that how to fill this table. Okay, so take 1 minute and start filling it. Read the information given to you. On the basis of that, you can easily do this. Okay, read the information. What is given to us? That Bijoy didn't watch Iron Man or Superman. Okay, so Bijoy didn't watch Iron Man or Superman. So I know that Bijoy didn't watch Iron Man and Superman. Okay, so whatever information is given to you, quickly write it in terms of like this. So it will help you to fill the table easily. Okay, next thing. But he watched movie before Chandan. So it means that Chandan cannot be the first person, definitely, because Bijoy is watching movie before Chandan. Okay. All right. So yes, that is given to us that Bijoy didn't watch Iron Man or Superman, but he watched movie before Chandan. So it means definitely Chandan cannot be the first person. So C cannot be in the Monday. Correct? All right. Next thing which is given to us is that Chandan watched a movie by paying 120 but didn't watch Iron Man. So one thing is clear that Chandan is paying how much? 120. Chandan paid how much? 120 but didn't watch Iron Man. So it means this entire row I can fit in over anywhere here, correct? In Tuesday, in Wednesday, in Thursday, in Friday, correct? So Chandan with 120. Okay. The person who watched movie on Monday and Friday watched Ant-Man and Batman respectively. Now this statement makes my question solving very easy, because now I know that on Monday which one is that? Ant-Man, and Friday is which one? That? Batman. So Monday is Ant-Man and Friday is Batman. This is clear to us. Now only I have to fill which one? This 3 is left over to fill in. Okay. All right, next one is Ishwar did not watch a movie on Monday. So first place, Ishwar did not watch a movie on Monday. So it means that Ishwar cannot be at the first place also. So that is also clear to us. Okay. Next one, which is what is given to us? That Ishwar's ticket price was equal to the sum of the price of the person who watched movie on Tuesday and Wednesday. Now this is very helpful statement. See, sum of two number, they are saying that sum of two numbers should be equal to the third one. Now see, sum of which two is giving equals to the third? It can be 70, 50, 120 or 120 plus 160, that is 280. So I have two possibility for Ishwar. Ishwar can be 120 or which one? 280. Because 120 how you are getting? 50 plus 70, and 280 you are getting 120 plus 160. Okay, so Ishwar ticket was equal to the sum of the ticket person who watched the movie on Tuesday and Wednesday. So it means that the Ishwar cannot be on Tuesday and Wednesday also. So Ishwar cannot be on Tuesday also or on Wednesday also. Correct? What else is given to us? That Bijoy paid more than Dilip for buying his movie ticket. So Bijoy paid more money than Dilip for buying his tickets. So it means Bijoy cannot be 50 also. Bijoy cannot be 50 because he is paying more, so definitely he cannot be the least one. Okay. Now let's try to fill in the data. What else you can put over here? So in this case, what do? We will make cases and work on it, correct? So let's try to fit in the prices first. Okay, once we get the prices, it becomes easy. So definitely Chandan is 120. Okay, and Chandan cannot be Monday, correct? The person who watched on Tuesday and Wednesday. So it means it has to be Tuesday or Wednesday or somewhere here. It means Ishwar is definitely 280. Yes or no? Ishwar is definitely 280. And Tuesday can be which one? Tuesday and Wednesday has to be 120 or 160, any of it. Correct? Tuesday and 160. Okay, so Tuesday is 120 and 160. Ishwar is 280. And what else I can figure out? Tuesday and Wednesday. So let's write that one first. Tuesday and Wednesday can be 120, 160 here, Tuesday and Wednesday. Okay. And Chandan is not watching. Which one? Bijoy is not watching Iron Man and Superman. Correct? So it means I have to put E whether here or here. Correct? What else I can put in over here? Bijoy didn't watch Iron Man, Superman, but he watched movie before Chandan. So Bijoy cannot be on the first place also. Bijoy can be on first place. Chandan watched 120 but didn't watch Iron Man. The person who watched movie on Monday and Friday, Ant-Man and Batman respectively. And Ishwar did not watch on Monday. Ishwar ticket price was equal to the sum of the person who watched Tuesday and Wednesday. Okay, so Bijoy paid more than Dilip for buying his movie ticket. Okay, so let's fill in the data. Then this will be Ishwar, that is 280. Correct? And Chandan is which one? 120. So either Chandan is here or Chandan is here. Correct? So that is also clear. And then which one will be the Bijoy is watching before Chandan. So this can be Bijoy. Correct? And then this will be 50. Correct? And 70 over here. And this will be A, this will be C, and this will be D. Correct? And what else I can fill in over here? That Chandan is 120, so Chandan is 120, so this is be 160. Okay. And what about movies? For movies, anything is relevant to us given in question? Monday, Friday we have already put. Monday and Friday we have already put. What else? Bijoy paid more than Dilip for buying the tickets. So this will be 70 and this will be 50, right? Because Bijoy is paying more than Dilip, correct? Alright, and what else I can fill in over here? Anything about movie I can fill in over here. Chandan is not watching IM definitely. So IM can be either here or here. And what else? Spider-Man / Superman. And here we have all the three options left over, correct? Spider-Man, Superman, Spider-Man and Superman, correct? So that's how you will fill the table. And the person who watched Monday, Friday, anything else is given to us in the question to get the more clarity. Bijoy didn't watch Iron Man or Superman. Okay, so Bijoy didn't watch, okay, that is already done. Okay, so that's all you will get from the question, right? So this is the entire thing which you can get from the question. Okay, now what do you have to do? You just have to solve the question on the basis of it, right? So the main purpose of showing you this question is how to do the question on the data arrangement. Okay, so this type of questions are called data arrangement, and the best way of solving such question is always write the extra information on the side. Whenever you write the extra information inside, it becomes easy for you to fit in the data in the table. Let's say if I am talking about this row, so if I have already written this row, so I can easily fit it over here, right, or somewhere here, correct? So let's solve the question. Who among the five friends watched Ant-Man? Bijoy. What was the amount paid by Amar to purchase the ticket? Amar to pay the ticket, that is 160. Who among the following watched a movie on Wednesday? That is Chandan. What was the amount paid by the person who watched Batman? Batman, that is Ishwar. That is 280. Who among the following watched the movie Superman? So for Superman, that will be Amar, correct? So that's how you solve this question. Alright guys, thank you for joining with us.